Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of Smartsheet and Microsoft Project, two powerhouse platforms for managing projects at scale. I'm going to break down their features, their ease of use, pricing, and what kind of teams each one is best for, so that by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which one fits your workflow better. So first off, let's take a quick look at both platforms. So Smartsheet is a spreadsheet-style project management tool that's built for collaboration and visibility across teams. It's great for businesses that want to track tasks, automate workflows, and report progress all in one place. On the other hand, Microsoft Project is a long-standing tool in the project management world, especially popular with enterprise IT and engineering teams. It's geared toward complex project planning and scheduling. Microsoft Project gives you full control over task dependencies, resource allocation, and timelines, but it's definitely more advanced and better suited for teams with dedicated project managers. Now, let's talk about features. So, Smartsheet offers a grid-based view similar to Excel, along with calendar, Gantt chart, card view, and dashboard options. You can assign tasks, you can set dependencies, create automated workflows, and even build reports that pull data from multiple sheets. It's designed to support collaboration so that multiple users can interact with the same sheet in real time. There's also a strong emphasis on no-code automation and integrations with tools like Google Workspace, Salesforce, and Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Project, on the other hand, focuses on precision. You can build detailed project schedules, manage baselines, and track progress using timelines, Gantt charts, and resource usage reports. Project lets you break down work into subtasks, track critical paths, and forecast workloads. It's more technical, and while the features are powerful, they're also more complex to set up and manage, especially for users who aren't already trained in project scheduling. Next up, let's talk about user experience. So Smartsheet is intuitive and easy to get started with, especially for users familiar with Excel or Google Sheets. It's built to scale from small projects to enterprise-wide initiatives, and its interface makes collaboration feel seamless. Microsoft Project, on the other hand, takes more time to learn. It's very feature-rich, but not always beginner-friendly. If you're new to project management software, it might take some time to get used to the layout and functionality. Now, when it comes to integrations, Smartsheet definitely takes the lead in accessibility. It connects with dozens of business apps and offers automation right out of the box. Microsoft Project works well within the Microsoft ecosystem, like Teams, SharePoint, and Power BI, but may require additional licensing or setup for broader integration across non-Microsoft platforms. So let's talk about pricing. Now, Smartsheet has 4 plans. You got your Pro at $12 per member per month, Business at $24 per member per month, and both Enterprise and Advanced work management with custom pricing. Microsoft Project has several tiers. So Microsoft Planner is included with Microsoft 365. Planner Plan 1 is $10 per user per month. Planner and Project Plan 3 is $30 per user per month, and Planner and Project Plan 5 is $55 per user per month, all billed annually. So which one should you go for? If you want a collaborative, flexible platform that's easy to adopt and grows with your team, then Smartsheet is a great choice. But if you need enterprise-grade scheduling, resource tracking, and advanced project controls, then Microsoft Project is the better option, especially for technically advanced teams with complex needs. And that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.